One of the nice things about Nitro-BOM's new all parameters batching is that you can also extract data from the hard drive or from an active workspace connected to Windchill. So this enables you to build up a batch list, and you can do that very simply. For example, if I wanted to say I wanted all of the PRT files in that particular current working directory, it would list them here. You could also do the same thing for a workspace, or you could actually kind of create a sequence of things. So you said, well, I want all the PRTs and then all the ASMs. If we run a batch list on that, you'll notice that the ASM files will be put at the bottom, or you can kind of flip those around if you wanted to and say .prt and build up the list of the files that you want to be processed. So the beauty about this is that once you've added these processes here, you can actually kind of batch export this. So this is going to go through each of those models within that batch sheet that we've created and load each model up and then augment that data to the all params report. It'll keep track of everything as it goes along. And then when it's finished, you can go into the all params report, add, delete, modify parameters, designate or undesignate parameters using the normal approach that you would do with Nitro-BOM for all parameters. And then once you're finished making those adjustments, you can simply batch import those changes back in. So, for example, if we wanted to change the check by here to be equal to a mass update across everything, we'll say everything here needs to be modified, and then we'll just do a batch import. So what this will do is it'll start off by loading the assembly up, looking for all the models that need to be changed, and as you can see here, it's checking them off the list as it goes along. And this is going to finish pretty quickly. So as it's modifying each of these things, it's loading them into Creo's memory, making the changes, then saving the models so that there's a backup of everything that's been done. When this is all finished, it will automatically just give us a completion message. Um, but it's a pretty straightforward process. And as you can see here, it's just looping through everything and making sure everything's getting done correctly. You can also monitor it in the log view to just kind of see what it's doing and what changes are being made. And it should be nearing completion here in just a couple of minutes. So it's saving the final assembly right now, it looks like. And then it's moving on to the next designs. So as it continues down this process, it will actually probably speed up because it just already processed those models because they were in the assemblies already. And you can see within 1 minute and 3 seconds, we've just updated every model within the directory that has an ASM or PRT associated with it.